All right, guys, so there the gangster is cleaned up. It occurred to me that I didn't shoot an intro for this video, so this will be an outro that I'm shooting and putting it in as an intro. Got the brakes bled last night. Of course, we got the drop kit on. Drove it up here to the house, get it washed up, cleaned up once again. Washed it about 2 or 3 weeks ago, or about 2 weeks ago, just when I got the wheels on. Definitely just needed cleaned up because it'd been in the shop so long. Got it cleaned up today. Don't worry, I've got time-lapse footage of me washing it. So you won't have to watch like 45 minutes of a blind man scrubbing away at an old poop box. But here's some vehicles coming by, so let's let them cooperate. Just kidding. Got it cleaned up best I could for a blind man. So that's how a blind man washes a car. Stick around, watch the video, the time-lapse of it there. I think it's going to go by pretty quick. I don't think I've ever done time-lapse before, but I keep saying to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on TikTok and whatnot. When I get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I'm going to have a giveaway. I've got shirts, keychains, handbags, car parts, new and used. They're all, even the used stuff is in fine, usable shape. It's actually stuff I pulled off my vehicle to upgrade. Let's see. Yeah, if you're on TikTok, it's Blind Luck Mechanic on YouTube. If you're on YouTube, I'm if you're on YouTube, of course you know my channel. On TikTok, I'm the same, Blind Luck Mechanic. And if you're watching this on TikTok, I am Blind Luck Mechanic. I'm the same on YouTube. So there's some continuity. But if you're on TikTok, go over to YouTube, give me a subscription, ring the bell, do all them things. When we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to have a giveaway. We got some pretty good parts. So y'all keep chipping away at those projects. And thank you for watching.